know the camera. It's your friend. Here comes Destiny. I won't be... Oh, shit, I'm in the video. Don't look at me, Destiny. Destiny. Oh, yeah. Then, wait. Destiny. Doorknob? Destiny's doorknob. It's a camera. You don't eat it. No nutrition. I love you. Kiss me, Destiny. I know it's not good to put your head in my mouth, but you can kiss me. Destiny. What says Destiny? Another doorknob? You don't like this doorknob. She likes this doorknob. This is Destiny's doorknob. And you want to go look at yourself in the mirror? Huh? Or I mean the hall closet? There she goes. She's a necking. Follow the desk. Why are you filming me? Because it's time.
What are you phoning?
I'm not on the phone. I'm talking to Destiny. She's necking. I'm videoing her. So don't talk. It's okay, we'll put a musical interlude on this. Destiny. Want to see the stuffed version of Destiny? There's a stuffed Destiny. Real Destiny, fake Destiny. Oh, that's scary. Yeah, whatever. You want to go back in here? Let's go back in. Where are you going, Des? Doorknob? Not that doorknob. Destiny likes this doorknob. Just use that doorknob. This is Destiny. Come on my shoulder. Come. I don't want him. Fine. We'll look in the mirror. Where's the pretty girl in the mirror? Oh, there she goes. What you doing, Mom? Don't want that. Oh, Destiny, you went in. Why? You don't want to play anymore? All right.